wouldn't mind that house up there either.
I'll take a picture of you. What do you need a passport?
Your ass is off? That's because I got the window open. She's going, dang. And those are relatives too.
Well, yeah, but we have to do. You were stuck.
What an expensive place like this. That was way high class.
I know. I know. And she was always like,
It's a beautiful setting.
that's where people come down summer when the boats high up.
We're going to wing it. Well,
driver's
probably.
choice.
It's probably just as good.
This is fun.
I think they have a dollar rate too. Yeah, they got their pillows. You never know when you want to go to sleep.
I don't know where you're going, little girl, so I'm not going to flatten you.
And there's no coats on them, so apparently they were in somebody else's house.
Right where he's pointing, right over his toe.
Funny, piss off the person who's going to kill you over a river. Good call.
Yeah, make sure those brakes work.
It's Pumpkin's little
Bring
slow
engine
ass
off and
stuff.
set brake.
Set brake.
Do you have that thing that you there for a while that what's that one that you used to do all the time? Pull up, pull up. That's it.